Good day, everyone. Welcome to our physics review session. Our topic today is about ticker timer. So we have here a past exam question on the ticker timer, and this would be about momentum. So we have here two trolleys and a ticker timer. Trolley P is given a slight push and collides with a stationary trolley Q. So P is moving while Q is not moving. So the tape obtained is shown in the diagram in full size along with a centimeter ruler. The frequency of the electricity used by the ticker timer is 50 Hz. So, question here is side X of the runway is raised slightly during the experiment. Suggest a reason for this adjustment. Now, when you raise this, tendency is the trolley P would move at a constant speed and will hit trolley Q. That would allow, because see, that's the reason why I state here slightly, because if you raise it more or a bit higher, the tendency is trolley P would accelerate downward rapidly and hit Q. So the word here is raise slightly, and then that will allow trolley P to move at constant speed. So to allow trolley P to move at constant speed. Okay. The next question is calculate the time interval between one dot and the next. And it says here that the frequency of the electricity used is 50 Hz. Now you know 50 Hz is the frequency. The frequency is 50 Hz. And that refers to the time, and frequency is equal to 1 over time. So time is equal to 1 over the frequency, 1 over 50 Hz. The time there is the period. Okay, so that would be 1 divided by 50, and you get 0.02. So that would be our time interval between one dot and the next. Now calculate the velocity of the trolley P before collision. Now in this, we need the values for the distance, so the displacement, and the time. So we could write here our velocity is equal to the displacement over the time. Okay. So let's get the value for the distance. Now let's zoom this out so you would see it very clearly. Now it starts at here. It didn't start at 0. Always remember, you need to check the ruler. It didn't start at 0. So since it didn't start at 0, I'm going to draw a line in here, and that refers to it starts at 0.5 centimeter. Okay, and before collision it ends at 4 centimeter. Therefore the distance is 4 take away 0.5, and the distance would be 3.5. Okay, that would be the distance. So how many ticks are present in from 0.5 to 4 centimeter? That's something we need to count. You should not count the number of dots, you count the number of ticks. And that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's 14 ticks. So that would be 14 ticks are formed in from 0.5 to 4 centimeter. That's 14 ticks, and you need to multiply it with the time it takes for one tick to form. That's 0.02 seconds. Okay, so you could continue. The That's 3.5 centimeter. This is per tick. You could cancel that, and that would be 14 times 0.02. Wait, 14 times 0.02, and that would be 0.28 seconds. So to get the speed, that will be 3.5 divided by 0.28, that would be 12.5. So your velocity is 12.5 centimeters per second. Okay, and usually velocity is measured in meter per seconds. So you need to divide 12.5 by 100, and that will give you an answer in meter per second. So you will write here, or 0.125 meters per second. That's the final answer. So thanks for watching. I hope you all learned something from this question.